Yo, what is going on, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, so right here I have the PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller. This is the Cosmic Red edition, as you can see here, and at the time of recording this video I currently don't have a PS5, so in the meantime I'm going to be using this controller on my PC. I'm going to show you some gameplay, so yeah, let's unbox this thing so I can show you what's inside. I mean, you guys already know what's inside, but I don't know why I said that. But anyways, let's just get rid of this tape over here. Put my knife down for a second. Alright, so here it is. Oh, something fell, but it's okay. So we got this little hole here so you can like put your finger in and pull it out. Oh, it's like a box inside a box. Alright, so how do you, I think you gotta open it this way. Is this, oh no, it's like this, Wow, I don't know how to work this thing. And there it is right here. And from the other videos that I saw, apparently it doesn't come with a cable, a USB-C cable, but luckily I have one because I'm using an Android phone and it uses the USB-C, so I'm probably just going to use that. Here's the controller itself, and the rest of the box is just, I guess this is a user manual, I don't know, but who cares? Let's put that aside. So this is what you've all been waiting for. This is the controller. As you can see, still inside the little bag thing. Cosmic Red. Alright, let's take it out. Whew, look at that. Alright, so here it is, looking good. Alright, so right here we got the D-pad right there. It is actually it feels really nice to press it. It is actually a see-through material, but in the inside there's Cosmic Red, so it just looks like it's Cosmic Red, but it's actually see-through. As you can see from this view, it's see-through right there, and in the inside is Cosmic Red. You got the analog sticks right here. Feels really nice. And right here we got the home button right there. The home button, it is just a PlayStation logo as opposed to the PlayStation 4 controller over here. As you can see, the PlayStation 4 home button is a circle with the PlayStation logo on it, but for the PS5 controller it is just a straight up PlayStation logo on it. And I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is a button. Honestly, I don't own a PS5, like I said, so I don't know if this is a button or not. But yeah, you have that, and you got the square, triangle, circle, and X button. You know, the OG PlayStation controls. So yeah, that's that. You got this part over here. You can click it, and over here we got the options button and the share button, and it's actually it doesn't say options anymore, it just has these 3 lines over here, and same as here, it doesn't say share anymore, it just has the 3 lines as well, but it's positioned differently. And right here we got the R1, R2, and L1 and L2. Right there, as you can see, it has a Sony logo right there. And over here is the USB-C cable, which, by the way, I was right. It did not come with the cable, but luckily for me, I use an Android phone, and my Android phone has a USB-C cable, so I'm probably just gonna use that for this controller. Alright, so here it is compared to the PlayStation 4 controller. Very similar, as you can see. I think this is slightly heavier. I think that's what it feels like to me. I could be wrong, but it does feel heavier to me at least. So yeah, that's a little bit bigger too. It's a little bit chunkier. This one looks skinnier. This one looks a little chunkier. You know, it does feel chunkier on the hand. And here, this one, yeah, this feels a little skinnier and a little bit chunkier. And yeah, pretty much the layout is the same. They kept it original. Honestly, I wouldn't have liked it if they changed up the layouts or anything like that. So I'm glad that they kept it original. Alright, so this is brand new and I have no idea if it has batteries on it. So let's just press this and see what happens. Oh, there it is. You can see that it's lighting up blue. I don't know what that means, to be honest. Like, do I have to press and hold it? I don't know. Alright, so for now, what I'm gonna do is connect this to my PC and show you guys some gameplay. I think it's just when you press it, it lights up and then it just disappears. And I think the reason why is because it's not connected to anything. It's not connected to a PS5 or anything like that. So that's probably the reason that it's doing that. So I'm gonna connect it to my PC right now. Alright, so here we are. I have my PlayStation 5 controller connected to my PC via Bluetooth. You could also just use a USB-C cable and plug it into your computer, as long as the USB-C cable supports data transfer. And I'm also going to be making videos on how to use your PS5 controller to play games on your PC. So if you want to see those videos, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss it when I upload it. So yeah, I'm just playing some Brawlhalla on practice mode, just so I can show you guys that this really does work. Alright guys, so I want to show you guys some gameplay of Power Rangers Battle for the Grid, but before I do that, I just want to show you that the touchpad actually works. Like, look at that, that's so cool. See that? So let's just go ahead and click the game. Okay, click play. Alright, so here I am playing some Power Rangers Battle for the Grid, playing as the Red Ranger versus Lord Draken. Alright, so here we are now playing some Overcooked 2. Man, this game really requires a lot of concentration. Alright, so here I am on Fortnite. As you can see, I'm just in creative. I'm not really playing an actual game. Just wanted to show you guys that it actually works here on Fortnite. Alright, here I am now playing some Rocket League. Alright, so that is going to be it for the unboxing of the PlayStation 5 controller Cosmic Red Edition. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I will leave a link to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I will also put a link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you again for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Later!